Today, top brands and leading organizations are leaning on data scientists and machine learning engineers to transform their raw data into problem-solving insights. But it's still very hard to execute this kind of work, let alone do it well. Finding interesting data can be difficult, and setting up a workable data science environment requires a tremendous amount of time. That's why we built Kaggle, a platform for the world's largest community of data scientists and machine learning engineers. On Kaggle, you can find and publish high-quality datasets, explore and build models with that data in our web-based data science environment, connect and learn with other data scientists and machine learning engineers about problems and new approaches, and enter prize-awarding competitions to challenge your skills. Ready to join the world's largest data science and machine learning community? Click the link below to join Kaggle and get started.